Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both the AirPods Pro and their case have enough charge, because low battery interrupts pairing. Once the case is open and the buds are inside, bring it within a foot of your iPhone or iPad and keep Bluetooth settings visible. You'll see the setup animation automatically. If not, press and hold the small setup button on the back of the case until the LED flashes white. This forces discovery and moves you directly into the pairing flow. Once you tap Connect, the device exchanges authentication and configures audio routing. That's why you may see extra steps like setting up Hey Siri or spatial audio. Make choices that match how you'll use them, because those settings optimize latency and noise control behavior. After the pairing completes, go to Settings Bluetooth and confirm the AirPods Pro status reads connected. If you use multiple Apple devices, enable iCloud Sync so you finish by testing core functions. Play audio, use the mic in a call, and ensure in-ear detection pauses correctly when removed. This confirms sensors and firmware are behaving. Make sure Control Center shows the AirPods and lets you switch outputs or toggle noise cancellation and transparency modes. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods Pro by holding the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED goes amber then white. Then repeat the pairing steps. This clears pairing records and often resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.